Hi, I'm Alex. You probably know that I've been teaching yoga philosophy and meditation for the last 15 years. And I'm often asked why study yoga philosophy? Yoga is practice, so why devote so much time to it? And the answer is actually very simple. This yoga philosophy that implies developing certain mindset, refining your motive, studying original scriptures, cultivating essential principles. All this is integral part of the process that will take you to the state of yoga. Yoga is not about exercising or stretching or some activity just to release stress, as it is often thought today. It's a very precise and effective method of self-exploration. And yoga philosophy is an integral part of this process. I've seen thousands of practitioners while teaching, and the main difference between those that progress and those that get stuck in the physical is in understanding what they do and why. The philosophy provides that foundation. It's like preparing the ground which will make the seed grow, right? And exercising without studying yoga philosophy is like using your smartphone, high-tech smartphone, just as a calculator. Yes, it will do the job, but there are so many things that yoga offers, and you're just missing it all out. So I invite you to go deeper into your practice, study philosophy, study scriptures, and see how skills that we develop through asana and pranayama can be applied in their true essence and lead us to self-realization. Namaste.